Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to my queendom, my high tunnel, greenhouse, whatever. I call it all kinds of things, but we wanted to take you on a quick tour this morning because, hey, I'm starting my birthday week tonight. So, all week, everything will be, whatever we've already got done will be put up on Deep South. Crazy Days, if I decide to show y'all a little bit about what happens on my birthday, I might give you a hint. Nothing special. Danny and I decided on a staycation. So we're headed to the cabin tonight. And for the most part of the week, if it's not raining, we'll work on the cabin. If it is raining, we will be doing things around the house, just inside. But we're mainly going to chill. We want to fish, we want to relax, and just do small projects, hopefully. So, let's see what's going on in my high tunnel. We just toured Danny's, and it's over on Deep South Homestead. So if you want to see the fruit trees and the surprises we found this morning, it was amazing. So go over to Deep South Homestead and watch his high tunnel update. Now let me show you what's going on here. I am like Danny. It is almost like a tropical forest in here. This is my turmeric and a little bit of ginger thrown in. Doing amazing and just going to town. So I hope to be able to harvest this fall sometime and then replant for next year. The peas, y'all, I told you I had a little rat problem. Well, we finally found him. He kind of stunk a little and he's gone. Danny found him, got him out of here. He was over here in this area. I had a couple of ferns sitting here and he had gotten behind it, and just say he ain't no more. So now I have peas, y'all. Blooms galore that aren't getting eaten. Look at this. I should have been harvesting peas for weeks and the rat's been eating them. So now look at my peas. Isn't that amazing? And I think these are the pink-eyed purple hulls that I planted. The Cherokee tans, I've got to come in here and do some work, but look at this. I'm talking pumpkins everywhere. This is the second time I've had pumpkins on the Cherokee tan. And I'm coming in here and take these bad leaves off, but there's pumpkins hanging down there, all up in the tops. But if you see on the bottom, these moldy leaves, I'm taking the leaves off. Danny and I are doing the jadam system in a weird way. We're going to be using some of it in a liquid form like jadam does, but we are also taking leaves that look rough and we're putting them in here and they go back to the soil. That's what's been feeding my Cherokee tan for the most part for the last couple of, I'd say a month or two. Occasionally, not sure if that one pollinated or not, but then, I mean, I've still got blooms everywhere. But we have blooms, we have pumpkins. Cherokee tan is doing amazing. The Trail of Tears beans, now they I thought had not done too much, but they're kicking it now. Looking great. Got some blooms, some peas. I had to shut it up during the last hurricane for 4 days, and so all my blooms fell off. I didn't get peas or beans. These are beans. But look in here. You see this? There's beans everywhere hanging in here now. So, the Trail of Tears does great when you have pollination. just a heads up, you need pollination in here. These are the red rippers. Now they're just now getting started really well. And down below I don't have much. They didn't do a whole lot down there. They're just running a vine. But at the tops, they're already blooming. And you can see the blooms in there. Isn't that amazing? And they're going crazy. So we hope to have some red rippers in here before long. And these are a long red pea. They're amazing, taste great, and produce like crazy. The okra has started producing. I have been getting some Star of David okra. Probably got 5 or 6 pods. I know that's not much, but I save it till I have enough. So the okra is doing in here. And I think that's amazing. And I always want to show my peppercorn. I'm really proud of the peppercorn. It's staying beautiful. It's got its little things up in there. We'll see if they do anything or not. But it's going up here. We've got these. We're going to put these 2 peppercorns on up. But I've got the Cherokee tans here going through. And look, pollination. Amazing. And then we have the other peppercorn here doing the same thing. It is beautiful. It's putting out the little pods, and we've got this right here. I don't know. We'll take you through the process. If it makes, we'll know. But here again, it's all the way up to the top with the Red Ripper peas, and we're hoping to make a trellis with it. My corner over here with all my stuff, it's just all doing good. Everything in this corner is just keeping going. Radishes, didn't know if they would do good. The rats kind of interfered with that a little bit, but they are growing. Maybe not looking the best in the world, but they are growing. The peas the rat was getting. Look at this. Now that I have no rat problem, look at this. They're putting peas everywhere. I've done harvested. These are the black-eyed peas. I've done harvested several of these. That's just amazing. See? This one's ready. Hold on. Let's see what it looks like. When you open them up and they're in their green stage, they look like a pink-eyed pea. They have a pink look. But when they dry, a black-eyed pea will turn black where it's pink. A pink-eyed purple hull pea will turn a darker pink. There'll be a considerable difference, so we'll try and show those when we dry some later in the year. Now, these are doing amazing. And like I said, we've got all the red rippers here. Look at this. Look at this red ripper. I told you. See my hand? And it's still going. That is a long pea. This is the difference. I think this is the black-eyed pea as opposed to the red ripper. Look at the difference. Wow. I'm amazed. I love it. Here we still have more Cherokee Trail of Tears beans. I mean, like I told you, they're hanging in here on both sides everywhere. So I'm just amazed with these. Bloom's still going crazy. And they're always up to the ceiling here. So when they finally quit, I'll have to clean. But look down here. Peas, more peas. It's amazing. Flowers, ginger, but hey, cucumbers. They're already up this high. I mean, look at that. I will have blooms before long. It is not too long before we have cucumbers in our greenhouse this winter. Isn't that amazing? Just truly, truly amazing. So guys, I just thought I'd bring you along in my greenhouse, show you a little of what's going on in here. The bees are just all over the place, and we have bumblebees. We don't have honeybees. These are bumblebees, and I don't know these little insects. I'm not sure what they are, gnats of some sort. I'm just amazed at the peas. We're going to have some peas now that we've eradicated the little rat that was eating everything. And you don't realize how much they can eat. You saw all the peas I have? He's been eating a lot of peas for a month before I figured out and saw what was going on. So guys, welcome to my high tunnel. What's going on in here? And we'll talk to y'all later from Crazy Days.